Welcome to part 3 of 7 ways to remove negative energy from your physical body and your living space.
Using natural stones or crystals from Mother Earth is the fourth strategy I'd like to share with you to help you remove negative energy from your space and your physical body. Remember, yes, I did say a stone from Mother Earth. You know, Albert Einstein said that everything's made of energy from his E equals MC squared equation, right? And it's true. This little stone here, which is my worry stone, it's a red jasper, and I just love rubbing it. But this stone does not transfer energy to me. It actually, the energy from this stone helps to synchronize my body's energy. So using crystals can be considered healing, right? The crystals themselves do not heal you. You heal yourself because of the intention that you set with your mind, and that you will synchronize your body's energy flow with the crystal's vibration. So yes, this red jasper worry stone, as you can see, it's red because I said red jasper, but it's a worry stone because it's polished, and you just kind of rub it and it feels really good, right? And not only does it feel good, it helps balance the lower two chakras. We're talking about your root chakra as well as your sacral chakra. It gives you a sense of power, a sense of security, okay? And so that's why you use this worry stone. You can rub it on your hands, you can place it around your house, but it will bring about a sense of security and power amongst other things, okay? And so when you're using crystals to balance the energy flow, it's important to align your intentions with it, okay, so that you can vibrate in a harmonious state, okay? You synchronize your energy with the energy of the stone. And so stones can heal or help you heal, because actually you're healing yourself. And it helps with stress, anxiety, just like the essential oils, just like the smudging, okay? It can alleviate all types of ailments. It can help you with your dreams, setting intentions, your intuition, your cognitive states, okay? Now, I want to share with you several other stones. How do you use these stones, right? Cinnamon, well, you want to place them in your environment. And there are, I don't even know how many stones there are, like hundreds, thousands. The earth is made of stones and crystals. We wear them as fine jewelry. For me, as you can see, this is one of my favorites. This is a malachite earring. And this vibration helps with manifestation. It helps unlock your intuition, your higher powers. When I say your higher powers, I'm talking about working with the energy of the heart chakra, the throat chakra, third eye, and your crown chakra. It's very supportive. There are other stones that you can use as well, not just to wear them as jewelry, but you can place them in your pocket, put them in your purse, and for your environment to elevate that energy as well. You can place them on your nightstand, place them throughout your house, place them in your office, in your car, just wherever the stone is. You will allow that energy of the stone to help synchronize your energy. The next stone I'd like to share with you is the black tourmaline. And here it is here, yes. And this black tourmaline actually wrapped in copper coil, and I use it as a necklace, okay, a pendant. And so I also place these stones throughout my house, especially near electronic devices. Black tourmaline acts as a protector and negative energy deterrent, especially when we're talking about EMFs, electromagnetic fields. So this tourmaline actually deflects the negative energy that comes from your Wi-Fi, from your cell phone, from your microwaves, or any electronic device, okay? And so that's why I use and place this around the house, because it removes negative energy. Okay, the next crystal I'd like to share with you is the quartz crystal. Isn't she lovely? Yes. Isn't she brilliant and wonderful? The clear crystal quartz, I place it throughout my home because it elevates energy. It's like a magnifier, okay? It magnifies the energy from other crystals. It's deals with creativity. It helps you heal. It brings about clarity. Like, look, the clear quartz crystal is beautiful. It's vibrant. It's well on your person. That means you can wear it, put it next to your bed, you know, or it elevates the vibrations in the room. Okay, so that's the clear quartz crystal superpower. Now, let's look at the moonstone. The moonstone helps with intuition and dreams and energy and passion. Yes, that's the moonstone. And then we have aquamarine. Aquamarine is a wonderful stone to place in your house. It helps deal with courage and creativity and also clarity. So you may find aquamarine stones, I think it's a birthstone. Yeah, it is. As a birthstone. And you can wear it on you. You can put it in your pocket, put it in the house, whatever. The stone is amazing. Okay, and the last stone I want to share with you is the obsidian. And this particular stone deals also with positivity, clarity, and that's its superpowers. It protects. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it is going to protect you too. Okay, it's going to swipe away all those negative energies and elevate you to new levels. So those are the different types of stones. There are so many out there, you guys. And stones are not only beautiful and pretty to look at, but they are also vibrating. Okay, there is energy in this stone. It comes from Mother Earth. Therefore, it has the essence of Mother Earth in it. She formed it. And bringing it into your home or wearing it on you elevates you and takes you to the next level. So consider purchasing some crystals, some stones, and just hold it in your hand. Feel the energy, set your intentions, and see how it makes you feel. Water, water, water everywhere, yes. Cool, refreshing water heals. And this is the last 3 strategies I'm going to share with you on how to use water to eliminate negative energies in your presence, in your space. Okay. The first one, and let me share with you this, why water is so important. It has healing properties. Everything has healing properties. Everything wants to heal you. Everything wants to support you so that you can heal yourself. Balance yourself out. Okay. You are made up over 78% water? Actually, probably more than that, right? You have water in your body, in the air. Water is everywhere. It heals. That's why people go to springs and mountains, or they bathe in certain waters, they ingest certain waters, you know, that because they believe in the healing properties. And it does. It has the minerals you need. It's cleansing. It's pure. So the 5th strategy I'd like to share with you is called hydrotherapy. Ooh, yes, hydrotherapy helps to eliminate feelings of depression and anxiety and stress. I'm talking about like that, okay? Hydrotherapy is used as an aid to help people who are actually suffering from depression. What it is taking a shower and then turning that shower on to cold. Right. You want to talk about shocking your body and changing and raising the vibrations and the energy very quickly, not just around you, but it raises the vibrations in your own physical body, right? You get goose pimples and everything. Everything constricts, blood starts pumping. Hydrotherapy is amazing. And I actually use this practice every morning. After I take a shower, I turn the nozzle to cold and I try to withstand as much cold water as I can. And when I talk about getting out of there, if I was in a low vibrational mood, oh honey, I am on 10, 100. I'm up there. I'm ready to go. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay. So consider hydrotherapy to elevate your vibrations. The sixth strategy when using water is taking warm salt baths. Warm salt baths are different than the cold. You know, cold constricts and it gets the heart pumping, but the warm salt water actually relaxes. It releases the tension out of the muscles. It releases the salt itself, and the water releases the negative energies around you, making you feel calm, relaxed. All is well, right? And the salt helps as well. And then the seventh strategy that I want to share with you when using water is using water fountains. Yes. Put water fountains in your home, throughout your home. I actually have maybe about 3 or 4. I have one at my front door in my foyer. That's to, you know, the water molecules get in the air. It hydrates the air, but it also helps to keep the air flowing, the energy flowing. Just listening to the water trickle down the rocks is mesmerizing. It helps bring about calmness and it soothes the mind. So that's something to consider, putting water fountains throughout your home to bring about cleansing of the atmosphere, bringing nature into your home, relieving stress, bringing in all those good vibrations as you inhale the water, because it is water molecules in the air, right? It's very soothing. So those are the 7 strategies that I recommend in helping you elevate your vibrations, get rid of those negative energies, and bringing more positive energy into your living space, into your workspace, into your physical space. Okay, your energy, to help the energy flow through your body, from your physical body to your emotional body and to your spiritual body, soul, and spirit. We must keep the energy flowing. We must open our minds. We must elevate our emotional intelligence. And most of all, allow the emotions to freely go through us like a river. Okay, freely moving like a river, so that we don't hold on to any negative energy, and so that it doesn't have a negative impact and weigh us down, causing physical ailments in our body and emotional disturbances, as well as, you know, negatively impacting our mental body, our mind, our soul, and the communication we have with our God. Okay? So I want you to consider taking on 1 or 2 of those strategies. So when you're feeling kind of low and tired or lethargic, or you're having trouble sleeping, or you're dealing with pain, or you just had a hard conversation with someone and you're angry, consider smudging, using essential oils. Get yourself a tuning fork, okay? Get a worry stone or place stones around you. Go take a hydrotherapy shower, okay? Jump in that shower. I bet you won't be mad anymore. These techniques work. They work with the intentions that you have for your life. Okay? And not only that, they are tools to help support you so that you can live your best life right now. If you don't use tools, the negative energy will come. It always comes because everything in this earth changes. Everyone changes. People change. Your health changes. Situations change. Relationship changes at the drop of a dime. And so these strategies will help soothe you as you're dealing with those low frequencies, those low vibrations. So if you like what you heard and you think it's a good strategy, I want you to try it out for 1 week. And then also leave me a comment below telling me what you think about the 7 strategies I just shared with you. As well as, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, okay? And hit the notification button because I'm going to keep dropping content every single week. So with that being said, take care, be well, and I'll see you in the next video.